How to fix Instagram Reels option not showing 100% working tips. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing on your Instagram home screen. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna show you some 3 or 4 method to fix this problem that your Reels option is not available on your Instagram home screen. Then what you need to do here, you have to go to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, then go to App Store, and then here you have to simply search for Instagram. Okay, here you just need to search for Instagram and then make sure to update your Instagram. After updating, scroll down and here you will find one option that is join beta tester option. So you just need to click on join. As I have already joined, so my option is only for leave. So after doing this, you can just go and check it out whether you got the Reels option or not. So guys, again, if it is not available, then what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you in this video. You just need to go to settings on your device, and then here you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down here you'll find one option that is apps option, apps, or install apps or app management. Just click here and go to the manage apps or app list. Now here you can see here these are the application which has been installed to your phone. So you just need to search for Instagram here. So let me just search for Instagram. Here it is. Simply you need to tap here, and then here you can see click on storage usage, and then here you can see the clear data option. Simply tap on clear data and then make sure to clear all the data as well as the cache. Now after going back here you can see app permission option. Simply tap on app permission and then you have to allow each and every permission out here, and then you can just go to Instagram and check whether the Reels option is available or not. So guys, after this also, if it is not available, then what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you. You just need to delete your Instagram app, and then after this you just need to go to Play Store, and then once again you need to download this application Instagram, and then you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then these Reels options will be 100% available on your device. Again, if it is not available, then after updating your Instagram, you just need to wait for 1 to 2 days. This will be available 110% sure. So guys, this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.